This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by ashley.link. Lovely turn-of-the-century Cape Cod West. Today's modern amenities. Downstairs features high ceilings, hardwood floors, large living area, bright dining room with immediate kitchen access, and large half bath with laundry. 2 fireplaces, 1 west gas stove and 1 decorative but gas plumbed. Upstairs, 2 spacious primary bedrooms, each west ensuite baths and large entertaining. Private gated driveway, west access from Gosnold. HVAC, 2019 30 years arch roof, summer 2018, water heater, November/Dec 2021, flood-ins not required. For more information, review the details below.